Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Arrayyan Fiqri. I am from the Geografi Study Program 90E. English application from Lecturer F.V. Zuriani MSE. Well, this time I will explain about the phenomena geography. My mid semester, my topic is lightning. Lightning are natural phenomena that usually occur in the rainy season when the sky gives the rays a momentary flash of blinding light. A few moments later, followed by the thunderous sound called thunder. This difference in time of appearance is due to the difference between the speed of sound and the speed of light. Lightning occurs because there is potential difference between the cloud and the air or with other cloud. The process of the occurrence of charge on the cloud because its moves continues regularly, and during its movement it will interact with other clouds so that negative charge will gather on the one side while positive charge gather of the opposite. If the potential difference between the cloud and the air is large enough, there will be this current of negative charge electrons from the cloud to the air or vice versa equilibrium. In this current process, the medium through which electron pass is air. When electrons are double, they penetrate its air insulation threshold. A sound explosions, of course. Lightning is more common in the rainy season because in that condition they are contact a higher moisture contact, so that the insulating power decreases and the currents flow more easy because there are negative charge cloud and positive charge cloud. Lightning can also occur between cloud of differences. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.